Guys, so now we have step. We finished concreting the step. And now we have step to go upstairs. So the workmen, they're going to be doing the block work. And you guys, what you're seeing here is the block work going up. What they say, build block by block and you will get it. That's it. So guys, you don't have to start off by much. You just take your time and little by little you will get there. As you can see, you know, like some person building a house, like wherever they are in the world and they're building a house, they would build this whole mansion. Too often to talk about Jamaica because that's where I'm from. I've seen houses in Jamaica, mansion in Jamaica, building, and once they bring up the building block, they can't go any further and those homes would leave like it's abandoned home. I don't know what happened if a person fall ill, I don't know what happened. But that is why I decided to finish completely downstairs, completely that it is livable, you know, before I actually go upstairs to start. So now I have downstairs so where I'm satisfied, where if I have to live in it, then it's fine, I can live in it. So now I'm blocking up, as you can see in this video. The workmen, they're doing a very good job. This is a new set of workmen I have. These workmen, they were with me in the beginning of the foundation of downstairs. But then now I got my friend workmen who did not work out so well as I've discussed in previous video. But now I'm very satisfied with these workmen and they're doing a tremendous job. They're building the work very fast. If they gave you like a month, then I would get the job done in a month. So I'm very pleased with them. So the workmen, they're on site now. They're working today and I'll be taking you guys up to see the progress that we have made. Right guys, so I didn't want to disturb the workmen too much. So now that they have left, I'll be going through with you guys. And now the rooms started to take shape. So it's a good look. This looks like the living room. So now I can tell the rooms apart, where the bedroom is gonna be, where the bathroom is gonna be. I'm so excited. Alright, so right here I'm walking through is a living room. Some of the wall is gone up. You remember this thing here? This is where the step is, where the whole place downstairs flood out. Can't wait for this roof to go on. So they brought up some sand to mix the concrete to lay the block. And this is a living room going into the kitchen at the back here. There's a back door to your right. I'm gonna be closing that off. I don't need so many doors. There is no step there. And around here we have the bedroom. There's a front bedroom. We have the front bedroom around here. And this right here looks like a bathroom. Well, from to the size, you could tell that is a bathroom. This is gonna be shared with those two rooms. And this right here is this is a front room. This is where I'm gonna be putting the zinc roof, like I said, the fancy roof. And we're upstairs. Yeah! Guys, it's just such an excited feeling to be going through another milestone, to be taking another step, you know. you guys, some of you have been here from the beginning of the foundation, guys, and I really appreciate you. I appreciate every one of you, including the newcomers. So you guys know the feeling, you know. So guys, as I said, block by block. Some persons say brick by brick. I say block by block. Or just the land, and you could God will do the rest, and you work hard, be perseverance, and you know you will try to achieve what you want to achieve. So guys, thanks for watching, and continue to like, comment. If there's any question you want to ask, just type it in the comment section, and I'm gonna be linking my social media accounts in the description, guys. So love you all. I'm out. Thank you.